Hey guys, Jeremy again with another video, and this one is for those of you that use iPhone and who love to set one of your favorite music in your phone as your ringtone, but the phone won't allow you to do that normally as you would do on an Android phone. So watch how I create my custom ringtone, and you can learn from that in case you didn't know how to do this. So this is my favorite music that I want to set as my ringtone, and it's a nice song by CIC. It's called Don't Give Up On Me. As you can see, it's 3 minutes 28 seconds long. But before you use a music on your iPhone as a ringtone, it has to meet certain requirements. First, it has to be not more than 40 seconds in length, and it also has to be an AAC audio file with the .m4r extension. So I'm going to use the music app, but if you're using a Windows computer, you can use iTunes to do the same for cropping the music to the required length and also to convert it to the required format. Now I'm going to import the music that I want to edit for my ringtone. That's the song. Now I will right click on it and click on Get Info and click the Options tab. This is where you set the start time and stop time for the music. The first number before the column is for the minute, and the second number after the column is for the seconds. Since I have 40 seconds time limit and I don't want a very beginning part of the song because I'm trying to manage time, and there's a little delay before the song actually starts, I'm going to go back and play the song again so I can mark the starting time that I want. Okay, so I think it's 12 seconds, so I'll right click, go back to Get Info and go to Options. Now I know I want the song to start at 12 seconds and stop at 40 seconds, the limit. So when I play back, the starting point of the song will be 12 seconds into the song and will end at 40 seconds.
Dama, share on your share with my Then care with me as soon as you tell. Play power your phone. I didn't have a reason to leave you, show me the way, and I'm grateful for everything that you did. You never ever play me low. See, I'm not worthy of your grace. I'm not worthy of your blessing.
Okay, so now the next thing I need to do is to convert the song to the AAC audio file format. So from the file menu, I will point to Convert and then click on Create AAC version. Now I have the AAC version of the music with the same starting and stopping point that I set. So I'll right click and show in Finder. This is the converter version with .m4a extension. But to use it as an iPhone ringtone, I need to edit the extension from .m4a to .m4r. Now this is the final version I can send to the iPhone and will be among the ringtones on the phone, which I can then choose to be my ringtone.
Dama, share on your share with my Then care with me as soon as you tell.
So I'm going to connect my iPhone and just copy this to the phone, and I'll have my custom iPhone ringtone of this beautiful CIC music, Don't Give Up On Me. But I'm going to delete this because I usually don't edit or crop the music with this music app or iTunes, since it's not flexible enough for the way I would love to use my 40 seconds. So I'm going to use another audio editor, but I'll still finish up in the music app or iTunes to do the conversion and transfer to the iPhone. And you can use any audio editor that you're comfortable with, but I'm going to use Adobe Audition in this video. So this is my own thing that I'm doing now, but I will still end up with the same process that I went through in the music app or iTunes if I was doing this on a Windows computer.
Dama, share on your share, oh my oh. Then care with me as soon as you tell, oh. Play power, oh your fool. I didn't have a reason to leave you, show me the way, and I'm grateful for everything that you did. You never ever play me low. See, I'm not worthy of your grace. I'm not worthy of your blessings. Still, you not close me. You never ever play me low. See, I'm not worthy of your grace. More, Nangla, you hella bow. God don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. God don't. You never ever play me low. God don't give up on everything that you did. You never ever play me low. God me low. See, God don't give up on me. God low. God don't give. See, God don't get me low. See, God don't give up on me low. See, God don't give up on me. Never ever play me low. See, God don't give up on me. You never ever play me low. See, God don't give up on me. See, ever play me low. See, God don't give up on me. God don't give. You never ever play me low. See, never ever play me low. See, God don't give up on me. You never ever play me low. See, God don't give up on me. 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 Don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. God, God don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. up on me. God don't give up. Give up on me. Don't give up. God don't give up. God don't give up on me. Don't God don't give up on me. God don't God don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Dama, share on your share with my hand. Bank care with me as soon as you tell. Lay me low. See, God don't give up on me. See, God don't give up on me. Low. See, God don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Dama, share on your share with my hand. Bank care with me as soon as you tell. Play power, I owe your phone. I didn't have a reason to leave you, show me the way, and I'm grateful for everything that you did. You never ever play me low. See, God don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Dama, share on your share. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Dama, share on your share with my hand. Don't give up on me. God don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Dama, share on your share with my hand. Bank care with me as soon as you tell. Play power, I owe your phone. Don't give up on me. Give up on me. Don't give up on me. Dama, share on your Dama, share on your share with my
I could export the file directly into the AAC audio file format, but for some reason when I did this before, the phone did not understand the file format and recognize the file as a corrupted file. So it's better to use Apple Home Music app or iTunes to do the conversion, since it won't cost you anything.
Dama, share on your share with my
So I'll just edit the music the way I want it to play in the 40 seconds time frame, and I'll use the music app to convert it to the AAC version, and I'll just manually edit the file extension from .m4a to .m4r before transferring it to the iPhone.
Dama, share on your share with my Bank care with me as soon as you tell. Play power or your phone. I didn't have a reason to leave you, show me the way, and I'm grateful for everything that you did. You never ever play me low. See, God don't give up on me. God don't give up on me.